In this lesson, I will be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can create table of content in Google Docs. I will be using this particular document for my illustration. So in order to insert table of content, make sure that your cursor is at the top and then you navigate your mouse to insert. Beneath insert, you navigate your mouse, you then navigate your mouse to page element and then you select table of content. There are various types. So there is the plain text and there is the dotted and there is the links. So we want plain text. So I just go ahead and select this. After clicking on table of content and selecting the one that you prefer, the one we selected was plain text and this is how it's looking. It's not looking too appealing. So I'll click inside and select these three dots for me to have more options. And I'll go with the dotted to see how that also looks. When you click on this drop down, you can change the type of lines that you want. In case you don't want it dotted, you can go with the other options as well, but I prefer dotted, so I'll just go with dotted. And the heading levels, you can also change that as well. So heading 1 can be 6.35 millimeters or 0. And you can have this as well, the heading 2. So far we have only two headings, the heading 1, which is the main heading, and the heading 2 and the title. All right, so how, depending on how you want the indentation of your headings to be, you go ahead and select that as well. When you're done, you close this, and we close this as well. We go ahead and close this. Now in case you update your text, so I just go ahead and add something beneath this particular. I'll use Control plus Enter to create a new page, then paste the copied text over here and change this. Okay, so this is a heading 2. Now that I have added an additional page, I'll go back to my table of content, click inside this and refresh so that it updates in the table of content for me. In case you want to remove your table of content, you click inside and select this three dot, then you select remove table of content, and then you are good to go. Google Doc has also given us some outlines here that we can use to navigate to any page of the document or any part of the document. So when I click on this, it will take me straight to that particular part of the document, same as the others. So you can also make good use of this outline that has been generated by Google Doc for you. It helps with navigation. All right, when you click on this three dot, you can add a sub tab. So this is our first tab. You can add a sub tab. You can duplicate this. You can rename your tab. Okay, so I can say this is a G's Those tab. Click on enter and you can add more additional tab. If you click on this, you're going to have a whole new tab on its own, and you can generate a new document for this particular tab and rename it as well. This is how you go about creating table of content in your document. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I would respond to them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.